Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6 to the application. In the previous video we install and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video at this channel. Now let's move to adding this device to the application, and to do this we need to firstly pair it with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, click pair new device. At the top you will see this button, and after that open the charging case. Now, if it's your first connection, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of each earbud we have a touch area. Right here we have it, and right here. And you need to press and hold at the same time this touch area until this LED light flashed white. I mean blinking, it's more blink. Yeah, and now as you can see it start blinking, and we see these earbuds at the device list. So tap on it, and if you have Android, after that click pair. And now you can hide the settings and open HONOR AI Space application. Click at the plus. Now it's scanning and it found, and so we just click on it. Later, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.